Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll build a classic subtractive synth patch in VCV Rack, the foundation of most analog synths. We'll use only free modules, so anyone can follow along. First, right-click and add these modules. MIDI CV to play with your keyboard, VCO, our sound source, VCF, a filter to shape tone, VCA to control volume, 2 ADSRs, one for filter, one for volume, audio to hear the result, all from the fundamental pack. Step 2. Basic patching. Connect MIDI CV volt per octave output to VCO volt per octave input. Connect MIDI CV gate to both ADSR modules. Audio chain. VCO into VCF, VCF into VCA, VCA into audio input. Then, ADSR1 into VCF CV input controls filter movement, ADSR2 into VCA CV input controls volume. Step 3. Initial settings. Use the saw wave on the VCO. Set filter cutoff to mid. Set resonance low. Adjust ADSRs. Filter, medium attack, short decay. Volume, fast attack, medium release. Set VCA level to 0. Let the envelope control it. Now play a note. You should hear a classic synth sound. And that's your first subtractive synth voice in VCV Rack, a simple patch that can grow into pads, basses, or leads. Save your patch and experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy patching.